Hey Jelly Beans, John come back at you for another vlog. It's a video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. Or Jelly Beans, it is, I don't know what time it is. 9:15 a.m. Saturday in February. This is going to be a revealing video of my next vehicle. Oh yeah, you probably get ready to see what type of video it is because I'm inside it. But I will get the video of the outside. I'm on the outside looking in. Beans, y'all ready to see what I have gotten? I know it's a lot later than what it was, but to you it will only be a couple seconds, not even a second from my last clip. So anyway, Jelly Beans, here you go. Feast your eyes on a 1998 Toyota Sienna, Jelly Beans. This is my new whip, new car, new beater, go-getter, whatever. Mr. Mark Craig, the Mark Craig, is being Vanna White or whoever. Oh yeah, Jelly Beans. I got this car from Pennsylvania. It's very clean inside. I have my stuff in there, but it's clean in here. 3 rows. Oh yeah, 3 rows. And sorry with TB, Mr. TB, it is not no RAV4. So, hey, it is a Sienna. So, anyway, Jelly Beans, I hope you enjoyed my new video, my new car. I like it. It's good for me. I know that there's a theme there because I had 2 vans previous to this, and trust me, I do not like minivans, but it's my destiny to have a minivan. So, thank you all for watching. If you like, share, subscribe. Please follow on Facebook. Links down below. And please check out my merch shirt. Have a good day. Peace.
This was hip hop. I'd be your hype man.